I'm exposing the biggest scam on a three-way call. Don't believe me? Just listen.
Thank you for calling the Corbridge Financial Life Service Center. This call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance purposes.
Yes, thank you for calling Corbridge Financial Customer Service. My name is Edgar. How may I help you for today?
I have some questions regarding my policy, who I have given authorization to speak on my behalf. John?
All right, so yes, Sir John, how can I assist you?
And what kind of life insurance policy does Daniel have?
Variable universal life policy, sir. A universal life policy.
How long has he had the policy?
The policy was issued December 5th, 2015.
Okay, so it's about 9 years, correct?
Yes, sir.
How much has he paid in total premium so far?
It's $17,920 even.
Gotcha. Okay, so a little over 17,000. And if he had an emergency today, how much is available for a loan?
It's approximately $9,598.46.
Okay, so a little over 9,000. So Daniel, you put in 17 and we got 9 available. You aware of that?
I was not aware of that, no.
Got it. When they helped you with this policy 9 years ago, if you could kind of remember, what did they tell you? Like you're going to have money available immediately? Like what they mentioned to you?
Pretty much they mentioned that I had life insurance in the event that, whoever I claimed as my beneficiary. It also said there was an investment opportunity attached to the life insurance. They did mention that in the event that I could take a loan out on the policy, but pretty much I would be paying myself back.
Gotcha. Okay. So let's say he did take a loan out. Who does that interest get paid to? Does that get paid to Corbridge or does that get paid to himself?
The interest rate will be paid for the company, of course.
Daniel, were you aware that you're paying Corbridge to use your own money?
No, that's not what I was told.
I need clarification on the cost of insurance. Does that go up every single year? How does that work?
Yes, sir. Cost of insurance with fees and charges are increasing every time that the owner of the policy also ages.
Gotcha. Okay, so Daniel, were you aware that the insurance cost gets more expensive every single year?
Absolutely not.
If the cost of insurance increases every single year and he doesn't keep up with the cost of insurance, does that eat up at his cash value to pay for the premiums?
That is correct, sir.
So
if that runs out, then the policy will be put in grace for 61 days.
And then after the grace, what happens to the policy?
Yes, sir. After the grace period of 61 days and there is no payment made on the policy, still the policy will be lapsed, sir.
Daniel, were you aware of that? That if you don't keep up with the cost of insurance, eats up at your cash value, and then, well, you just heard a policy lapse.
Absolutely not. I was not aware of that.
And by the way, you thank you so much for all your help. You need a pay raise, man. Yeah, you did a phenomenal job. Yeah, we appreciate you. Let's run another scenario here. Let's say he takes a loan out and he never pays it back and he doesn't keep up with the cost of insurance. Could that lapse the policy a little faster?
That is the loan amount and its accumulated interest is higher than your cash value. Policy will be in danger of termination or equity surrender. And if the insured, God forbid something happens to you and you pass away, any outstanding loan will be deducted from the policy's death benefit. That is how the loan works, sir.
Okay, so if it's in danger of termination, that means so if he doesn't pay the loan back, keep up with the interest payments and the increase of cost of insurance, his policy could lapse, correct?
Yes, sir, it could lapse.
Okay, were you aware of that, Daniel?
I was not, no.
Thank you so much, by the way, bro.